Looking for a reliable toner cartridge that keeps your brother printer running smoothly? The SMARTOMI TN830XL black toner cartridge replacement offers a perfect fit for a wide range of brother models, including the popular MFC-L2820DW and HL-L2405W. Designed to deliver consistent, sharp black prints, it's a smart choice for both home offices and busy workplaces. What sets this toner apart is its built-in advanced chip. This chip ensures your printer instantly recognizes the cartridge and accurately displays ink levels. No more guessing when it's time to replace the toner, just straightforward, hassle-free printing from the start. Installation is quick and seamless, so you can get back to work without interruptions. Each pack includes two TN830XL toner cartridges, giving you double the printing power right out of the box. With an estimated yield of 3,000 pages per cartridge at 5% coverage on letter or A4 paper, these cartridges are built for high-volume printing. That means fewer replacements, less downtime, and better value over time. The SMARTOMI TN830XL is compatible with a broad range of brother printers, including models like the DCP-L2640DW, HL-L2460DW, and MFC-L2900DW, among others. Whether you're printing documents, reports, or everyday pages, this toner cartridge maintains consistent quality and reliability. This premium high-yield version is tailored for users who demand more from their printing supplies. It supports extended use without sacrificing print clarity or page count. If you're tired of frequent cartridge swaps, this option offers a practical solution that saves both time and money. Worth a look if you want to keep your brother printer performing at its best while managing costs effectively. The SMARTOMI TN830XL replacement toner balances quality, compatibility, and longevity, making it a dependable choice for everyday printing needs. If that's you, someone who values hassle-free setup, clear prints, and longer cartridge life, this 2-pack is ready to step in. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your printing experience without the premium price tag. In summary, the SMARTOMI TN830XL black toner cartridge replacement delivers what matters: smooth installation, reliable printer recognition, and high-yield performance. It's a practical investment for anyone using brother printers who wants consistent, quality output and fewer interruptions.